Yeah, go ahead.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Okay. Let me think of something. You know what I'm saying? Marquise been a beast. So fuck what you rappers say. It's the era. Grab the 4/5 and spray. Waste your click away. Watch it click to slay. Damn, my time ran out.
You're a fucking clown.
Fucking clown. You rap, though. Let's see you rap. Let's see you rap something. What are you doing?
Trying to find you. I was trying to find you on the screen.
That's it. You moved it. When you move the screen down, you move the camera down. I mean, when you move the screen up, the camera went down. So you have to fix your screen. That's why you can't focus that thing.
Okay, look and smile. Look and smile.
No, I'm not looking and smiling. You fucking